Hello, parents. For the last few weeks, you have been doing an amazing job doing so many activities to help your children learn in a fun way with you at home. When we spoke to parents, many parents asked us, how do I know if my child is learning from these activities? Can I do something to check if they are learning or if they need more help? To help you with this, we bring to you assessment activities from Key Education Foundation. Every 4 to 5 weeks, we will send you a set of assessment activities that you can do at home in a small and fun way to check your children's progress. Let's take a look at these activities. You will get activities for EVS, English, and Maths. And in each activity sheet, it will first start by telling you what your child should know. For example, your child can name the body parts and the senses, your child can identify the family members, and your child should be able to identify some common things found in school. Now, how do you check this? You check the activities given in this column. Each of these activities will take your child 4 to 5 minutes to do. Mention the activity to your child and give them some time to do it. Let's take a look at one activity. Ask your child to point at each person at home and name them and say who they are. You can do this in a fun way with your child. You don't have to tell them that this is a test or an exam. It is just for you to check and know what your child is able to do and where you can help your child more, right? So once your child has done the activity, you need to observe the child, listen to them, and mark the correct response. For example, if your child was able to do the activity, you can say the child identified and named all the members. If the child only did some of it, you can mark it here. And if the child was unable to do it, you can mark it here. If your child does not want to do an activity or does not get the answer right, don't worry. You can always speak to the teacher on more ideas to help your child, and we will also give you more activities to make learning easy so that your child can learn this later at a future point of time. You will also get activities like this for English and for Maths. Make sure to make this a stress-free, fun and easy experience for your child. And don't forget, you always have to appreciate your child and tell them they did a very good job when they get the responses right so that they feel motivated to continue doing these activities. You will also get ideas and resources on how to do the activities towards the end like this. We hope you enjoy this experience and continue learning with your children at home every day in a fun and enjoyable way. Thank you.